Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Chrysler 300 V6 louder. We'll explore simple, cost-effective modifications to enhance your exhaust sound. You'll learn about the impact of different components and discover methods that maintain daily drivability. Get ready to give your 300 a bolder, more aggressive tone without breaking the bank or sacrificing comfort. First, consider a muffler delete. This involves removing your car's muffler, which significantly increases exhaust volume. It's generally an inexpensive and straightforward modification, often costing less than $100 for parts and labor. While it delivers a much more aggressive tone, especially at higher RPMs, remember to check local noise regulations before proceeding. Next, a resonator delete can also enhance your sound. Deleting the resonator adds a deeper, more aggressive note to your exhaust. This modification can often reduce unwanted drone compared to a full muffler delete, making it a popular choice. Installation typically involves cutting out the resonator and welding in a straight pipe, a process that usually takes less than 2 hours. Finally, for a more refined sound, explore aftermarket exhaust options. Axle-back systems replace your muffler and tailpipes, offering engineered sound and some performance gains. Cat-back systems replace everything from the catalytic converter back, providing the most comprehensive sound and performance upgrade. Prices vary widely, from a few hundred to over $1,000, depending on the brand and materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.